Hi, and welcome back to the tutorial series for the marching arts. Today we're going to be looking at some techniques with intermediate skills, including spins and some tosses with inverted catches. If you're new to this, click here and check out the beginner videos. We all know what drop spins are. Okay, and then we also went into what double time is. It's a down parallel up, down parallel up. When you get to here, we're going to introduce a new spin, which is a weapon spin on flag, which is exactly what that is. It's a weapon spin on flag. And then you can still use your stops as normal. The weapon spin is different because we're actually using a full rotation of the flag instead of half or whole. So we're going to use an actual full rotation. So don't use this as a flip. That's what people think it is, but rather use it as if you had a weapon in your hand, like a rifle or a saber. Okay? Today we're also going to be learning how to get into tosses without just regular setting it here, because when we're starting to do choreo, you're going to go into tosses out of choreo. So we're going to use that as a technique today. So we're going to use a double time to get into the single and a half. Okay? We're also going to use a Peggy spin to get into a single and a half. And I call this an Eastern spin, where you're going to go flat, do a thumb roll here, a drop spin into the position. So all three are going to look like this. You've got your drop double time into your spin, into your toss. You've got your Peggy spin. And you've got your Eastern spin. Okay? In this exercise, we're going to utilize the drop spin into a flourish. So what we're going to do is you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on count 8, I want you to place your hand in the middle of the pole, of the part of the pole that's not covered with fabric, and then we're going to do flourishes. Flourishes are using one hand and coming back to the front. So down, up, to the back, down, up, and then you go back into your drop spins. 5, 6, 7, up, 8, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And of course, you can do all of these with your left hand as well. So what we're going to be doing with these drop spins, we all know what drop spins look like with the flag up, going down, up, down, up. In this case, we're going to be going from down already, up, down, okay? The reason why I like to use those is so that we can see the full body from the beginning while you're starting to introduce some tandus and lower body with your basics. So here we're going to be going all the way around with the tandus, working all the way around, and back to the front again, and end up where you started. I want to introduce a new carve exercise. Most carve exercises all over the country, we start off at a seatbelt position, and you're going here. Okay? Just to mix things up a little bit, I wanted to start from here. So everything starts from right shoulder. You're going to go to the back is 1, that's your 2, that's your 3, and that's your 4. So what we're going to be doing in this exercise is using every single angle in 4s, and then you kind of speed that up a little bit into 2s, and then smooth that out so you know how that feels, and then finally to go into the actual carve. Okay? Flips are really good to learn how to catch all of your equipment. Okay? We're going to be going from here, flag right, to here. Now once you arrive there, I want you to go all the way flag up, and now we're going to be doing full flips. Back to half flips, and this time the flag's going to be upside down. Okay? We all know how to toss, okay? So what we're going to do in an intermediate / advanced area is we're going to learn how to catch without being normal. So we're going to try to catch at an inversion, okay? Which is an introduction to advanced flag skills. So in this exercise, we're going to go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. You switch your hand, and then you're going to be taking all your tosses from under. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. 7, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay. Well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this episode of the Intermediate Fundamentals on Flag. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.